Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making a cootie catcher. For this, we will need an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper, or you can use origami paper, and scissors. Now let's get into this. So, the first thing that we want to do is we want to take the top left corner and pull it down to the right edge. Increase it. Make sure there's a really good corner and the edges are aligned. I want to go get scissors like these, and you can see there's a line here from where the bottom edge is, and we want to cut across that, just under it. Like that. I want to put that strip off to the side. We can put this away. I want to open this, and we want to fold to the other side. Do that same crease on the other side. And fold the top right corner to the bottom left edge and crease. Now we want to fold all of these corners into the very middle, like this. See that? Now I want to flip it over and do the same thing again. Fold the corners into the middle. I want to fold it in half this way. So top half to the bottom half. I want to fold it in half like this. And then unfold. And then you just made a cootie catcher. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Comment if there's anything specific you would like me to make, and have a nice day.